Everyone, welcome back. New brand video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on profile view option on TikTok account. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your TikTok and from here click on profile option. And from here, if the update is not showing on your profile, what you need to do it, get a screenshot and click on three lines and click on setting and privacy. And from here, scroll down and click on report a problem, and from here click on account and profile, and from here click on issue creating an account. From here click on option and click on need more help, and from here what you need to do it, explain your problem, and after that add your screenshot, click on confirm, and after that click on submit. After submit, TikTok team connect your Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.